আমি আপনাদের সাথে বিভিন্ন গাছের ইংরেজি সম্পর্কে আলোচনা করব, ঠিক আছে? তো আমার সবাই সাথে থাকবেন। হ্যাঁ, দেখেন আমি সর্বপ্রথম আমি শুরু করছি। দেখেন তো এটা কি গাছ? হ্যাঁ, এটাকে আমরা বাংলা অনেক সময় বলি পেঁপে গাছ, কিন্তু ইংলিশটা কি? পাপায়া ট্রি, ওকে, আর পাপায়া প্লান্ট। Look at the tree or look at the plant. There are various types of there are various types of papaya. The papaya plant bears bears various types of papaya. Okay, and it is no, please look at the word, how imposing it. Look at how imposing it. For this reason, it is inexpressible for me to express this matter. And next, I would like to introduce to another plant. Okay, please look at the leaf. What's it? Can you say? I'm showing you by turning altar. What's it? It is. If you don't know the name of this leaf, I'm ready to answer. Okay, it is the leaf of aram. In English, it's called aram. আমরা বাংলায় বলে থাকি এটা কচু গাছ, কিন্তু কচু গাছের ইংরেজি হলো কি? aram plant. Okay, and next thing, that is, what is it? Please look at the leaf. Please look at the tip. Please look at the leaf sharply, without seeing it, without looking at it. It's impossible for you to express the real name. Okay, what's it? Please, if you don't know the name of this in this moment, I would like to request you to write the name of this thing, of this leaf, in my comment box, because comment box is open for you to write something. What's it? Yeah, it's the leaf of lemon. It is the lemon tree's leaf. Okay, thank you very much. And another question. Please look at the tree. What is it? What is it? Can you say? Yeah. In Bangla, I'm telling the name of these things. That is লতা পাতা। আমরা লতা পাতা ইংরেজি কিন্তু আমরা বলতে পারি বাংলায়, কিন্তু ইংলিশটা কি? English, it is called creeping plant. Okay, the English name of this thing, লতা পাতা, the English name of লতা পাতা is creeping plant. Okay, thank you very much. Be connected with me.